Welcome to our exploration of one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern physics, the Higgs boson, often called the God particle. This fundamental particle is responsible for giving mass to everything in the universe, from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies. Without it, the universe as we know it simply could not exist. The Higgs boson is a fundamental particle in the standard model of particle physics. It represents an excitation, or ripple, in the Higgs field that exists everywhere in space. Think of it as the quantum manifestation of this field. The particle is named after British physicist Peter Higgs, who, along with other scientists, predicted its existence back in 1964. Its primary role is to explain how other particles acquire mass through their interactions with the Higgs field. The nickname God particle has an interesting origin. It was popularized by physicist Leon Lederman in his book, though he originally wanted to call it the goddamn particle because it was so incredibly difficult to find. Publishers changed it to God particle, and the name stuck. The significance behind this dramatic name is profound. Without the Higgs field giving particles their mass, atoms couldn't form, matter wouldn't exist, and the universe as we know it would be impossible. The Higgs field is an invisible energy field that permeates every point in the universe. Imagine it like an ocean that fills all of space. Particles moving through this field interact with it, and this interaction is what gives them mass. A useful analogy is moving through water. The stronger something interacts with the water, the more resistance it experiences. Similarly, particles that interact strongly with the Higgs field acquire more mass. This field has existed since shortly after the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. Let me explain the process of mass generation step by step. First, particles move through the Higgs field that fills all of space. Second, different particles interact with this field at different strengths, depending on their properties. Third, the stronger the interaction with the field, the more resistance the particle experiences, which translates into greater mass. Finally, some particles, like photons, don't interact with the Higgs field at all, which is why they remain massless and can travel at the speed of light. Different particles interact with the Higgs field in dramatically different ways. The top quark has the strongest interaction, making it the heaviest elementary particle we know. The electron has a moderate interaction, giving it a small but measurable mass. Photons, the particles of light, have zero interaction with the Higgs field, which is why they remain massless and travel at light speed. This variation in interaction strength explains why particles have such vastly different masses. The search for the Higgs boson spanned nearly 50 years. In 1964, Peter Higgs and other physicists theoretically predicted its existence. Throughout the 1980s and 90s, scientists made multiple attempts to detect it using various particle colliders, but all failed. In 2008, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN became operational, bringing new hope. Finally, on July 4, 2012, CERN announced the discovery of a particle consistent with the Higgs boson. The following year, Peter Higgs and Francois Englert were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their prediction. The Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. Located at the CERN laboratory on the French-Swiss border near Geneva, this incredible machine is 27 kilometers in circumference and sits 100 meters underground. The LHC accelerates protons to 99.999999%, the speed of light, before smashing them together. These high-energy collisions recreate conditions similar to those just after the Big Bang, allowing scientists to produce and detect extremely rare particles like the Higgs boson. The Higgs boson has several remarkable properties. Its mass is approximately 125 gigaelectron-volts per c squared, which is about 133 times the mass of a proton. It has zero spin, making it the only fundamental scalar particle in the standard model. The Higgs boson is electrically neutral and carries no color charge. Perhaps most striking is its extreme instability. It decays in about 10 to the power of negative 22 seconds, which is an almost incomprehensibly short time. The discovery of the Higgs boson is monumentally important for several reasons. First, it validates the standard model of particle physics by confirming the final missing piece of the theory. Second, it explains the fundamental origin of mass, answering one of the most basic questions about how our universe works. Third, its universal significance cannot be overstated. Without the Higgs field, atoms couldn't form and life couldn't exist. Finally, while completing the standard model, the discovery also opens new questions and points toward physics beyond our current understanding, driving future research in particle physics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.